Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavithashok Educational and Motivational channel. Yes, today we are going to discuss one important concept, definite 2 marks question, and this is very important for the competitive exams. So that is extreme values of trigonometric functions. So what is meant by the extreme values? Look at here now. If a comma b comma c belongs to R such that a square plus b square is not equal to 0, this part is not equal to 0, then the maximum and minimum values of a sin x plus b cos x plus c are c plus under root of a square plus b square and c minus under root of a square plus b square over R. So for this function, the maximum value is this one and the minimum value is this one. First we will verify why these two values are the minimum maximum values. Later by using this we will calculate the solutions for the given problems. Look at here now. First consider this as the function. Let f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c. In the last year, in 1B chapter, we calculated the maxima and minima values. We will use the same concept here. Here, take A is equal to some R cos theta. Sin is there, we will take the cos. And B is equal to R sin theta. So then automatically, A square plus B square is equal to R square cos square theta plus R square sin square theta. If you take R square common, then we can get cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then R square into 1. So finally, A square plus B square is equal to R square. Then R will becomes under root of A square plus B square. Okay. So just keep aside this one. We will use later. Now, what is this? F of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Then what it will becomes? F of x is equal to, in the place of a we will replace r cos theta, plus in the place of b we will replace r sin theta plus c. R cos theta and sin x is in sin x plus in the place of b we will replace r sin theta. Already cos x is there plus c. Now f of x is equal to, in these two are common, we will write cos theta sin x plus sin theta cos x plus c. Now f of x is equal to r into, this is of the form sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is sin of a plus b. So then we can write sin of x plus theta. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b form plus c. Now f of x is equal to, this is the function. Now for this function r sin theta plus cos theta, we already know, we know that sin theta is lies in between sin of x plus theta is lies in between -1 to 1. Why? Because the sin minimum value is -1 and sin maximum value is 1. So in between this one. But here r is in, just multiply with r. Minus, if you multiply with r, minus r less than or equal to r sin theta plus x or x plus theta less than or equal to r. Just we multiply with r. Now we will take c. Why? Because plus c is there, no? We will take c. Adding c on both sides, what we will get? C minus r less than or equal to c plus r sin theta plus x or x plus theta less than or equal to c plus r. First what we did here, sin function we took, sin function lies in between -1 and 1 into r is in, just multiplied r plus c is in, we added c on both sides. So this c minus r less than or equal, what is this? This is nothing but the function f of x is less than or equal to c plus r. So maximum value, what is it? Maximum and minimum. Maximum value of f of x is equal to what? c plus r. This is nothing but c plus r is nothing but under root of a square plus b square. Next, minimum value of f of x. So this is the minimum value. This is c minus r. Then c minus r in the sense again a square plus b square. So look at it. This is the maximum value c plus under root of a square plus b square, and this is the minimum value c minus under root of a square plus b square. And f of x is lies in between c minus r and c plus r. So that's why range of f of x over real numbers over r is what? C minus r means c minus under root of a square plus b square, comma c plus r, c plus under root of a square plus b square. So finally, what is our conclusion here? For this function f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c, the minimum value is this one, the maximum value is this one, and the range is the minimum to maximum. C minus under root of a square plus b square, comma c plus under root of a square plus b square. So these are the very important formulas to find out the maxima and minimum values. Right. This is very important question for 2 marks. We will expect this question for the annual exam. Look at here now. Find the maximum and minimum values of these two, and along with that we have to find out the range of this function. So first we will solve one by one. For the first question, what is given here? 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. If you compare with a sin x plus b cos x plus c, this is our standard function, then a value will be 3, b value will be minus 4, and c value will be 0. No c value is there. So now minimum value is equal to c minus under root of a square plus b square. So c is 0 now, under root of a square is 3 square, b square minus 4 square. 0 minus under root of 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So this is equal to minus root 25, and this is nothing but minus 5. Now maximum value, again c plus under root of a square plus b square. So again c value will be 0. Under root of a square is 3 square minus 4 square. So now c is 0 now, under root of 9 plus 16 root 25, this is equal to 5. So minus 5 is the minimum value and 5 is the maximum value for the first question. For second, cos x plus pi by 3 plus 2 root 2 sin x plus pi by 3 minus 3. If we consider x plus pi by 3 as some alpha, then cos alpha plus 2 root 2 sin alpha minus 3. If you compare with here a sin alpha plus b cos alpha plus c, then a value will be 2 root 2. Why? Because sin alpha is in, b value will be 1, so here nothing is there, then c value will be minus 3. So then automatically maximum value is equal to c plus r under root of a square plus b square. C is nothing but minus 3 plus under root of a square plus b square in the sense here 2 root 2 square plus b in the sense 1 square. So minus 3 plus under root of root 2 square is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 minus 3 plus root 9 and minus 3 plus 3, the value will be 0. This is the maximum value, and minimum value is equal to same minus 3 in the place of plus we will get minus 3 we will get, this is equal to minus 6. Maximum value is 0 and the minimum value is minus 6. The final question, third one, this is 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. We want the range. So now a value will be minus 24, b value will be 7, c value will be 5. Extreme values is equal to c plus r minus under root of a square plus b square. 1 plus 1 is maximum value, minus is minimum value. So this is equal to C is fine. Plus or minus under root of a square plus b square. 5 plus or minus under root of 24 square. 25 square is 625. 24 square 576. Look at here now. 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 9, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 6, 7. So 576 plus 7 square is 49. 5 plus or minus under root of 576 plus 49 is 625. Is nothing but 5 plus or minus 25. Then finally what we can get here, 5 plus or minus, so plus 25 is 1 and 5 minus 25 is 1. Maximum value is equal to 30 and minimum value is equal to 5 minus 25 minus 20. So range is equal to minus 20 comma 30. Like this we can calculate. Once again, A value will be minus 24, B value will be 7 and C value will be 5. Extreme values means minimum maximum value. C plus or minus under root of A square plus B square. This will be 25. 5 plus 25 is the maximum value, 5 minus 25 is the minimum value. So the range will be minus 22 to 30. So one of the question we will expect for the annual exam. In the next class again we will make. Thank you very much.